just go do your thing tonight, okay?
Yes,
listen
sir.
now, listen. Play what you see. Don't overthink it. And when it's time to rush, go be you.
Yeah.
Trust you,
Yeah.
right? Trust you. Let's go. Give it to me now. Let's go. Be great on 3. 1, 2, 3. Be great.
Bosco. What's up, baby? How you been, baby?
Yeah, good. How you doing?
How's it going, man? What's up, man? Hey, yo. Hard count. Ah. We gotta keep grinding. We gotta keep grinding, though. Ah. Get man. Get Harry. I get Harry. Hey, that's how to do 3 and out. That's how to get off the field, guys.
Well, I know your Mike Cup gonna be boring as hell, boy.
Yep. Something like yours.
Mine was boring.
Huh?
Mine was good.
You're bored. Hey, D, you need to do some commercials. That's what you need to do. You need to do some commercials. Boy, you follow the camera everywhere it goes. Everywhere it goes. Every time, if they go back and they find everybody that's mic'd up, you get you at least a cameo once. Every time. Either a thumbs up or a point at them or something. You talk about, you say you just so happen to be there. No, you go find a person that's mic'd up there, you get you a cameo. Every time.
Robbie Gould, deep kick, 8 yards deep into the end zone. Here comes Jerick McKinnon, far side, to the 5, to the 10, to the 15, to the 20, speeds to the 30. Oh, he shakes.
Young Bull, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, Young Bull. Turn it up, turn it up, turn it up, clear me.
Jerick McKinnon with a kick return touchdown of 107 yards.
Let's go! Let's go!
Oh, yeah.
Got him. Got him. We got the momentum.
You got him that time with your video camera. You got him that time. Second and long.
Heineke to Newby, hit at the goal line, surges for a touchdown.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Go for 2.
Heineke, quarterback, looking left, sees nothing, sprints out to the right. Taylor sprints to the 5, dives for the end zone for the 2. And the
Now get in there! Get in there! Get in there! Get in there! Oh!